Hello, Dewey enthusiasts. Let me make you aware of Dewey platform. The uniqueness of this platform comes from the Burning Wallet, which is contributed by the team. There is where 3% of the token will be to add more value to the system. This will add so much uniqueness and will make more people get more interested in the Dewey coin. The token will be useful to ensure the price fall is not drastic so that easy adjustments can be made with all the maximum and minimums generated so well. Also, profit making is now a good way to move this platform. Each transactions will become more exact and there would be easy purchase as well as passive income with more sales are generated. The rewards of users will be greater and holders will earn more through passive income. Apart from that, those animals like dogs and cats will be assisted with funds monthly. This will be a great way to take care of them and assist in caring for them. So this will be a Dewey coin way to contribute to the community. And now you can take care of your animals with earning also. This idea will be a way to spread goodness to these animals, and with the wallets, this will become more possible. The platform also built a unique characteristics to the Dewey Dollar token. So much is now available for the holders. There is going to be a lot of benefit to the holders of the Dewey token dollar. There would be reward for the holders and all their earnings will be received in their wallets. It will now serve as a passive income for them. Any feature is that fact that there is meme art, a new marketplace, a meme based NFT marketplace that will offer so much exclusive NFTs to the first 500 members. There would be more scope and better pricing for all the transactions. The liquidity pools will also be important for the transactions in the liquidity pool with 3% on all the transactions in the pools. This is exciting, isn't it? So, in order to assist all the four leg animals in the community, it's your time to use the charity wallet. The way you can help them and you can grow yourself by helping yourself. You can have a better financial backup with a better life for you and your hamster. The charity wallet will be a wallet for collecting all the 3% from users' transactions to help take care of dogs and cats in the community. Now you will understand with me that there is so much to gain and there are so many opportunities with this platform and its dollar due token, which will help perform the different tasks in the platform. Simple steps will only be required for you to participate and become a part of it. This platform is already listed on the PancakeSwap and has a rate of 1 BNB is equal to 9 billion DU. This is what you need to have in mind to use this platform, as enough transactions will be done using the token so that you can benefit all you can with the token as you hold and use it. Now, liquidity can be seen in all transactions of users, and such a large amount of BNB can be used in order to get the DUI. The earlier you get acquainted with the platform, the better for you. The benefits will all be yours as you join and begin using the token.